Hello guys, welcome to ETHIO. This is Solomon. Today I'll show you how to create a simple car rig and animation in Blender. Stay tuned until then and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. First, open Blender. When the file loads, it looks like this. I will provide the Volkswagen car model file in the description below, so download it. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Hold the Shift to select pose, then press Ctrl J to join them. Press Edge to hide the ground since we don't need it right now. To animate the car, we need to create a rig first. This car part should be separated separately. If you have a different car model, ensure the parts like the windows, doors and lights are joined by pressing Ctrl J. If we enter the edit mode and look at it, each part is different, but they must be joined together because it is convenient for animation. Now I'm holding this and moving it along. When I hold the wheel and move it, it moves by itself. Now what you have to do is make sure the wheels are separated. I'm telling you that maybe when you have another car model, if the wheel part is separated, you have to do join individually. Press Shift S and select cursor to selected. Then press Shift A to add an empty cube. Scale it with the S key and move it along the X and Z axis. Next, apply all transformations by pressing Ctrl A. This will set the location and rotation to 0 and the scale to 1. Select the car, hold the Shift and select the empty cube. Press Ctrl P and choose Parent to Object, Keep Transform. Next, select the wheel, then holding the Shift key, select the empty cube. Then again, by pressing Ctrl P, Parent to Object, Keep Transform. Repeat this for each wheel. Now, with all wheels parented to the empty cube, grab the cube with G key and move it along the X-axis. All the wheels move together. Next, we need to check if the wheels rotate. Switch to edit mode. Select one face and delete it with X key to create a hole for visibility. I will fill it later. As you can see, there is a hole. Now, just for you to see the wheel rotate or not. Press 0 for the camera view. Now let's create a keyframe. Open the transform properties with the N key and press I to create a keyframe at the current location, which is currently 0. Go to frame 60, grab the empty cube and move it along the X-axis. Press I again to create another keyframe. Then go to frame 120, reset the X value to 0 and press I to create the final keyframe. Change the end frame to 120. Play the animation and you will see the car move, but the wheel will not spin. Let me show you closely whether the wheel is spinning, but it didn't spin. Now let's animate the wheel's rotation. We need to rotate the wheel in Y-axis. Select the Y-axis rotation, right-click and add drivers manually single. Switch to the graph editor. Change from F-curve to drivers. Select the Y-Euler rotation. Press N to open driver properties. Then select the driver, then go to the expression and set the expression to 2 times var. But there is no change on the numbers. So go to the object and add empty. Now as you can see, the numbers have changed. So what does this mean? To check the wheel's rotation, play the animation again, and you will see the whole starts to spin. So now change the timeline to graph editor. Change the expression to 3 times far to increase the speed. Adjust for faster movement by increasing the expression value. Select the wheel, then right-click on the y-axis and add drivers, manually create single. Then go to the expression and set all the wheels the same expression 3 times far. Now go to the object and add empty. In the same way, right-click on the y-axis for each wheel, add drivers and set the same expression 3 times far. As I said earlier, you can increase the expression value to make the car faster. Once done, return to the timeline. Press 0 for camera view and play the animation. This is the final render of the car animation. I hope this tutorial is helpful. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new, please subscribe to this channel and join our family. Until we meet again, bye bye.